Guys, gals, if you're looking for all show and all go, this is it. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle real 138 SS car. It's got much more than a 396 motor in it. Check out my description. Financing delivery is available. You can call or text me at 847-848-1850. MGM Classic Cars has over 150 hand-picked muscle and classic cars in stock at our location here in Addison, Illinois. Come check us out, mgmclassiccars.com. You got the number, shoot me a text or a call if you're interested on this particular car or anything else on our website. Thank you.